Hey guys, I'm just checking if I'm recording. I've done 2 videos today. Quite cool, yeah. Well, this is what I wanted to show you. This noise I just heard. I don't know why I'm playing this game. Just downloaded it. See how it was in the now. See, go and cook all your meat and that. Cook your sausage up. There you go. It's cooked, even though it's not. But cook your shrimp up, even though it's not. But right, you just want to eat a octopus on its own. Nice. Respect it. No, I don't care. And let me get. No, let me. So in a minute ago, you were live in this steak and now you don't want it, right? So, well done. You're smart. Don't blow on it. Chill out. It's not going to kill you. Right, there we go. There, and then. Bam. 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 You're getting trolled, how do you feel? I thought, oh, I see the hot dog. Gotta get that forever. I'm a pro chef, that's why. Pepper, and then the hot dog, and then, yeah. Oh no, the hot dog, the beautiful pride of hot dog. Gotta get that forever. Yeah, perfect. Now you see this. Isn't that a great noise, everyone? Just hum, nom, 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 nom. There you go, that's the noise. And it's only a short video, but it's not major. So yeah, see ya. Who cares about the ads? So I just say, alright, I'll wait till it gets 2 minutes exact. 3, 2, 1.